the chain, most of our skills become open skill. And we also, as Pilates instructors, are dosing in a lot of information in those sessions as well. Like, so we're giving them much more coaching than you might actually get in a group fitness class or with a personal trainer. Again, I'm making hasty generalizations because we're all individual in how we coach, but in Pilates, we're oftentimes delivering more biomechanical cues. We're trying to address, maybe it's lumbopelvic stability, maybe it's a dynamic scapular control. And so we're really trying to deliver a lot more information in these sessions. So I like to talk about this because in general, your clients, if they're coming to see you for Pilates specific exercise or, Pilates exercise in general, they're already getting a lot of information loaded into their brain and an opportunity to improve on their neurogenesis, which is like big thumbs up for us, which is awesome. Where we kind of play majorly, it would be in the motor and the coordination training land and the cognitive physical training land. So neuromotor training, mind-body exercise, leisure and physical activity. And then today, for the sake of today's topic, we're in the cognitive thinking and the dual tasking area, which is going to be cognitive and physical tasks at the same time. So let's talk about that. So true neurogenesis or